Good morning children. In the previous class we have done practice zone 1 using BODMAS rule. Today let us do practice zone 2 in textbook page number 54. Page number 54. Okay children. Today let us do practice zone 2. The question is simplify the following. You have to simplify the mathematical expressions using BODMAS rule. Okay children. The first one is 17 minus 3 into 5 plus 5. In yesterday's sums we had only two operations. Those are addition and subtraction. Today we are added with one more operation, that is multiplication. Today here we are having three operations: addition, subtraction and multiplication. According to BODMAS rule, first we have to do, according to BODMAS rule, first which operation we have to solve? We have to solve multiplication. After solving multiplication, then we have to do addition and then subtraction. So let us first underline the numbers that are having multiplication, the operation multiplication. So first let us solve this one. So 17 minus 3 5s are 15 plus 5. So after multiplication, which operation we have to do? We have to do addition and then we have to do subtraction. So for doing addition, let us rearrange the numbers which are having addition symbol. 17 plus 5 minus 15. These two numbers are having the symbol of addition. So I have rearranged the numbers. Okay children. 17 plus 5 is 22. 22 minus 15. 22 minus 15 is equals to 7. Okay children, did you understand? First what we have to do? First we have to do multiplication. Here there are three operations given: multiplication, addition and subtraction. So according to BODMAS rule, first we have to do multiplication, then we have to do addition and then we have to do subtraction. So I have underlined the numbers which are having the operation multiplication. So 17 minus 3 5s are 15 plus 5. So after doing the multiplication, I have rearranged the numbers having addition symbol. 17 and 5 is having the addition symbol. So I have written 17 plus 5 minus 15. 17 plus 5 is 22 minus 15. So 22 minus 15 is 7. Okay children. Okay children, now let us do the B sum. Let us do the B sum. What is the B sum? The B sum is 7 into 4 plus 19 minus 12 into 3. According to the BODMAS rule, first we have to do multiplication. Here in this mathematical expression, three operations are given: multiplication, addition and subtraction. So according to the BODMAS rule, first we have to do multiplication, then we have to do addition and at the last we have to do the subtraction. So first let us solve the numbers which are having multiplication. So here 7 4s are how much? 7 4s are 28 plus 19 minus 12 3s are 36. After solving the numbers which are having multiplication symbol, let us rearrange the numbers with addition symbol. So here already these numbers are rearranged with the addition symbol. Okay. Now let us do the addition first. So after multiplication we have to do addition and then we have to do subtraction. Did you understand children? According to the BODMAS rule, first we have to do multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. First I have solved the numbers which are having multiplication. Then I have to rearrange the numbers according to addition. But already these numbers are rearranged. So no need of rearranging. So now I have to add 28 plus 19. 8 plus 9 is 17. 4. Answer is 47. So after doing the operation addition, now I have to do the subtraction. Next we have to subtract 36 from 47. 7 minus 6 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So the answer is 11. Okay children. Now let us move to the next sum. What is the next sum? That is the C sum. Let us do the C sum. Let us do the C sum. So 28 minus 10 into 2 plus 15. Okay children. First you have to do, here three operations are given. Subtraction, multiplication and addition. Three operations are given. According to the Bodmas rule, first we have to do multiplication. So I am underlining the terms which are having the symbol into. So 28 minus 10 twos are 20 plus 15. So after doing the multiplication, I have to rearrange the numbers having addition symbol. So here 28 plus 15, because 15 is having addition symbol, so I have rearranged the numbers, minus 20. According to the Bodmas rule, after multiplication we have to do addition. So I am adding these two numbers, that is 28 plus 15. 8 plus 5 is 13, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 43 minus 20. So 43 minus 20. 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer is 23. Did you understand children? First you have to solve multiplication. Then you have to add. And at the last you have to do the subtraction. So 23 is the answer. Okay children. Now let us do the practice zone 3. Now let us do practice zone 3. Let us do practice zone 3 textbook in the same page, page number 54. So let us write down the question. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. Let us do the first one. A question. 4 plus 5 plus 8 by 4. Here two operations are given. One is addition and the other one is division. So according to the Bodmas rule, first we have to do division. After doing the division, we have to do multiplication. But there are no terms with multiplication. So next we have to move to the addition. And at the last we have to do the subtraction. Since there are no terms of multiplication and subtraction, first let us do the division. So first let us solve this one. 4 plus 5. So 8 divided by 4. 4 goes in 8 how many times? 2 times. 2 fours are 8. So here the answer is 2 plus 2. Now after doing the division we have to add these terms, because after division there is no multiplication. So we have to do addition. So 4 plus 5 is 9 and 9 plus 2 is 11. So 11 is the answer. Okay children. Now let us do the B sum. Did you understand children? If the division is given, first you have to do division, then you have to do the multiplication, and then you have to do addition, and at the last you have to do the subtraction. If division is given, first you have to do division, then you have to do the multiplication if the multiplication terms are there, and then you have to add, and at the last you have to do the subtraction. Okay children, let us move to the B sum. So what is given? 13 minus 4 plus 3 into 3 minus 12 by 4. So this is the mathematical expression. Here division is given, multiplication is given, addition is given and subtraction is given. So here the 4 operations are given. What are the 4 operations? Addition is given, subtraction is given, multiplication is given, and also division is given. According to the BODMAS rule, first we have to divide, then we have to multiply, then we have to do the addition, and at the last we have to subtract. So let us solve the division term first. So 13 minus 4 plus 3 into 3 minus 12 divided by 4. So how many times 4 goes in 12? 4 goes 3 times in 12. So the answer is 3. So after division, what is the next operation you have to do? You have to do the multiplication. So after division, you have to do the multiplication. So 13 minus 4 plus 3 3s are how much? 3 3s are 9 minus 3. So after multiplication, what is the next operation you have to do? You have to do the addition. So let us rearrange the numbers which are having addition symbol. So 13 plus this number 9 is having addition symbol. So 13 plus 9 minus 4 minus 3. First I have arranged the numbers with addition symbol, then I have arranged the numbers with subtraction symbol, because first we have to do addition and then we have to do the subtraction. So 13 plus 9 is how much? 22. 13 plus 9 is 22. 22 minus 4 minus 3. Okay children. After doing the addition, we have to do the subtraction. First let us subtract 4 from 22. 22 minus 4 is 18. Then let us subtract 3 from 18. So 18 minus 3 is 15. So here the answer is 15. So what we have done children? Here the 4 operations are given. So according to the BODMAS rule, first we have to do division, then we have to do multiplication. After that we have to do addition, and at the last we have to do the subtraction. So here this is the term of division. So I have taken 12 divided by 4. So I got the answer 3. So 13 minus 4 plus 3 into 3 minus 3. The result got by division. After division we have to do multiplication. So 13 minus 4, 3 3s are 9 minus 3. Okay. After multiplication we have to rearrange the numbers with the addition symbol. So 13 is having addition symbol and 9 is also having addition symbol. So we have to write them in a line. After writing them in a line, then we have to write down the numbers with subtraction. 4 is having the symbol subtraction and 3 is also having the symbol subtraction. Then we have to do addition. So 13 plus 9 is 22. After adding the numbers, you have to do the subtraction. So 12 minus 4 is 18. And 18 minus 3 is 15. Okay children, did you understand? Okay, now let us do the C sum. Let us do the C sum. Okay children, now let us do the C sum. So what is the C sum? 15 plus 14 by 2 into 3 minus 7 plus 3. So BODMAS. So here addition symbol is given, division is given, multiplication is given and subtraction is given. All the 4 operations are given. According to the BODMAS rule, first we have to do division, then multiplication, after that addition, and in the last we have to do the subtraction. This is the term with division. So 15 plus, so 2 divided by 14. 2 sevens are 14. 2 goes 7 times in 14. 7. Here the result is 7. So I am keeping 7 here. Then into 3 minus 7 plus 3. Into 3 minus 7 plus 3. So after division, what is the next thing you have to do? You have to do the multiplication. So I am underlining the terms with multiplication. 7 into 3. So 15 plus 7 3s are 21 minus 7 plus 3. So after multiplication, we have to do addition. So for doing addition, I will rearrange the numbers with addition symbol. 15 plus 21 plus 3 is also having the addition symbol. So plus 3, and I am writing 7 at the last because it is having the minus symbol. Now what I have to do? After multiplication, I have to do the addition. Now I am going to add these three numbers. 15 plus 21 plus 3. So 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 39. So after addition, you have to do subtraction. So 39 minus 7. 39 minus 7 is equals to 32. Okay children, did you understand? According to the board mass rule, first we have to do division, then multiplication, afterwards addition and then subtraction. Here the 4 operations are given. So first I am doing the division. So first I have divided 14 with 2. So 2 goes in 14 7 times. So I have written 7 here. After division I have to do multiplication. So 15 plus 7 3s are 21 minus 7 plus 3. After multiplication we have to add. So for that I have rearranged the numbers with addition symbol. So 15 is having addition symbol, 21 is having addition symbol and 3 is having addition symbol. So I have written these numbers in a line. Afterwards I have written minus 7. So now we have to add these three numbers. By adding these three numbers we have got the answer 39. So after addition you have to do subtraction. So 39 minus 7 is how much? 39 minus 7 is 32. So that is the answer. Okay children, did you understand? So children, today's homework is you have to practice zone 2 and practice zone 3 in your rough book. Okay children, you have to do practice of practice zone 2 and practice zone 3 in your rough book. Okay children, that's all for today's class. Okay, bye.